Hello friends, welcome to Trich Institute, and in today's video episode on safe storage, we will be discussing about how you can set up an admin node in your safe cluster. So let's see, without wasting any more time, let's go into the demo. Okay, so I have logged into my one of the monitor node in my cluster. So first check the status and all. So as you can see, I am using Quincy, so you can check that save versions, and I am doing it on Fedora 37. So here what happens, everything is managed by safe ADM. So as you can see, so to perform any administration task on your cluster, your the node should be on the tagged as a admin. So you can see that with safe org host ls. So you can see currently the safe one, that is the admin node. So I want to add safe 2 as my admin node to the cluster. So let's see how I can do that. So this is very easy here in Quincy, or you can say like wherever you are managing with safe ADM. So you have to run the command safe orchestrator, that is host level add. So you need to add the label. Now I want to make it safe 2 as my admin node. So copy that the node and then the label admin. So be careful with the label. So you can see here is underscore admin. So once you do that, you can see that it is saying like added label admin. So now you check host ls. You can see now SAP2 is also my admin node. So now what it does actually, when you add that admin label, it does two things. It copies that safe configuration file and the admin keyring. So let me go back to the safe2 node and check back what happened there. So I'm just logging in there. The first thing I'll do, I'll check etc chef directory. So it was empty. Now you can see I have admin keyring and safe.conf copied. So now if I do safeadm shell, okay, so safeadm is not installed here. So dnf install safeadm. So give me a moment, let it install. So you can see safeadm is installed now. So let me now do safeadm shell. So I'm in cell now. So if I now run safe-as, so I can run the safe commands here. Similarly, if I do safe versions, I can see, and then safe org host ls. So you can see now I'm in safe 2. So like this, very easily you can add any of your node as a admin node in your cluster. And this is, keep in mind, you always should keep at least more than one node as your admin node, so that if that primary admin node is down, you have other admin nodes to carry on the operations. So hope you like this video and it is helpful for you to configure your safe cluster in your environment. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, and if you like the videos what I am preparing for you guys, so please subscribe it, and also like these videos and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Bye. Have a good day. We'll see you in our next video.